You want to improve your English, but you're just lying there doing nothing.
Wake up! Progress doesn't happen by itself.
No more excuses. No more maybe tomorrow. It's today. It's now.
Come with us. Make English dance in your head, where words stick in your mind, with better pronunciation.
And English becomes simpler than ever. Hit play, speak out loud, and let's start.
Conversation 1.
Hey, Olivia, good morning.
Morning, Kyle.
Did you find someone for the marketing job?
Not yet. I hope I find the right person today. I have 2 more candidates this morning.
How many people did you interview already?
Too many. 11 people last week, and none of them were good.
Really? That many?
Yes, this role is very important. We need someone who can work well with clients.
I understand. It's a difficult job.
Finding a perfect person for the role is even more difficult.
Ha! That's right. Good luck today. I hope one of these 2 candidates is perfect.
Thank you. I hope so too. Now I have to prepare for my interviews. See you later.
Yeah, see you later.
Conversation 2.
Hey. Excuse me, you are...
Cassandra, I'm here for the interview.
Oh, right. Please come in and sit down.
The receptionist looked busy, so I just came straight here.
That's okay. So did you find the office easily?
Yeah, it was fine. The traffic was pretty bad, but it's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like some water?
No, I'm okay, thanks. I only drink Fiji.
Well, thank you for coming today. I'm Olivia, the HR manager. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Cassandra, but you can call me Cassie.
Okay, Cassie, I'll ask you some questions about your experience and skills.
Sure, no problem.
Great, let's start. Did you work anywhere before?
Nope, I don't have any real work experience. I just finished college last month.
I see.
But I did some projects in my classes.
What kind of projects did you do?
We made some slides and posters for practice companies. You know, just school things.
Okay, let me ask you this. What are you good at?
Playing the guitar. I used to perform in high school events.
That's nice if you're applying for a band, but we're talking about the marketing role.
I guess I want everything to be perfect.
Okay, and what do you need to improve?
My mood? Just kidding. Math, I guess. I hope this role doesn't require much math, because I'm terrible at it.
I see. What do you do when you have problems with coworkers?
I just tell them to chill and relax. Life is too short to fight about work.
All right. Now, Cassie, I need to talk about something important.
Yeah?
In the email we sent, we talked about our dress code.
Oh, I only looked at the email quickly. I didn't read everything.
Well, this job works with clients, so we have professional rules. We don't allow nose rings or any other jewelry on the face at work.
That's a bit old-fashioned, don't you think? You should update the rules.
I understand how you feel. We will think about it. Let's move on. What are you looking for in this job?
At least $90,000 a year. You know, my college was really expensive.
You want that salary because your college costs a lot of money?
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you for being open about that. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I think I'm good.
All right, Cassie, thank you for coming today. We'll send you an email in a few days.
Cool, thanks. Bye.
Maybe today I won't find anyone for the job.
Conversation 3.
Olivia, the next person is here.
Already?
He came 15 minutes early.
Please tell me he's not wearing a t-shirt and jeans.
He actually looks very professional.
That's great. Please ask him to come in now.
Okay.
Good morning. I'm Tom. It's very nice to meet you.
Good morning, Tom. I'm Olivia, the HR manager. Nice to meet you too. Please sit down.
Thank you.
I see you arrived early today. Did you find the office easily?
Yes, I looked at the map last night. I wanted to make sure I came on time.
That's very good. Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
So, I'll ask you a few questions today.
Okay.
Can you tell me about your work experience?
I finished college 2 months ago, so I don't have work experience yet.
I understand.
But I usually helped my school plan events for students.
Interesting. Can you tell me more?
Sure, it's...
I'm very impressed.
Thanks.
Now, Tom, what are you good at?
I'm good at planning and organizing things.
I can tell. And what do you need to improve?
I need to get better at public speaking. I'm working on it.
Let's say you have a problem with coworkers. What do?
I think it's important to talk calmly and listen to them.
Uh-huh.
That way, we can find a solution together.
Very good answer. Now, this job works with clients directly.
I know.
So, we have a dress code. No jewelry on the face, like nose rings.
Yes, I read that in the email.
Do you have any problems with it?
Not at all. A professional look is important.
Thank you for understanding. What are you looking for in this job?
I'm looking for opportunities to learn and grow.
Great. We offer many courses for employees. How about salary?
I think $70,000 a year would be a good start.
I see. Do you have any questions for me?
If I get the job, when will I start?
Is next week okay?
Next week is perfect.
Great. We'll send you an email about the results soon.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Just so you know, I look forward to seeing you at the office next week.
Conversation 4.
How's work, honey?
I finally found someone for the marketing job today.
Really? That's great. I'm happy for you.
Mom, why did it take so long to find someone?
Because I needed the right person, someone who can do the job well.
Didn't the other people do a good job?
Well, they made a lot of mistakes.
Like what?
Some people didn't learn about the company before the interview.
Like when I didn't do my homework before school?
That's right.
What about today?
I interviewed 2 people. The first girl didn't read the email carefully. She broke the dress rules. She also made some other mistakes.
So she's bad.
For the job, yes. But she's not a bad person.
And the other one?
His name is Tom. He was different.
How?
He arrived early, learned about our company, and was polite and ready to learn. That's why he got the job.
Interviews sound really hard.
They do. You have to prepare a lot, sweetie.
I think I'll just stay in school forever so I never have to go to an interview.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.